Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step and guide on how to deposit check on Chase app. So to get into it, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it really helps me out. So the first thing to do for you to be able to deposit check on your Chase app is to open your Chase mobile app on your phone, then log in into your account using your account credentials. Then step 2, you have to tap on the deposit option at the bottom menu and select deposit a check. So choose the account where you want the money to be deposited and enter the amount written on the check. Then on step 6, you have to use your phone camera to take a clear photo of the front of the check. And on the step 7, you have to flip the check and sign the back and take a photo of the endorsed back. Then review all the details and tap submit to complete the deposit. Then keep the paper check in a safe place for a few days until the deposit is clear. And that's how you can easily deposit a check on Chase app. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.